effects from the accident that would be a factor in the way performance.
Glad he's well enough to come back, and I hope I beat him at the same time.
You know, a lot of guys don't like him. It's just a situation where the guy's got a lot of talent, he's wide open, he doesn't think about anything else, he just wants to win. I like that.
Since the crash, he's been a danger to himself and other drivers. But if he comes near me, I'm gonna put him in the wall. Simple as that. I don't expect I'll see too much of him, except in my rearview mirror. Come in.
Harry said you wouldn't mind if I stopped by.
How's Rowdy?
He's getting better every day. Especially since you told him how much you were looking forward to getting his race car.
So am I. What are you thinking?
Just how much I'd like to know what you're thinking.
I guess everybody's the same. You gotta be good at your job before you can enjoy the rest of your life. This is my job. That's all I know.
Hello. No, I can't watch you do